Basically, what you're all going to discover is how to be musicians. Some of you have played music before, some of you haven't. But I'm going to show you that it's completely possible to be a musician, to create amazing music. And more than that, you're going to do it all together. And it's going to sound awesome. So you're going to learn how to play music together.
What are you expecting tomorrow to be like, the visit with the Granville Boys High students?
Because it's such a different, diverse culture that they have there. We don't have anybody like this.
So why do you reckon they'll be different?
Different cultures and religions and stuff like that.
We probably have like about 5 backgrounds. Most of it's Muslim.
They're gonna like speak differently.
Also, they've had a harder time than us probably, so like they've learned a lot in a quick time.
I was born in South Sudan.
Yeah. What do you think the kids from Cronulla are going to be like today?
Rich.
Weird. Yeah, I think there might be like some miscommunications.
More Aussies in the school than Libos.
Any conversations that might be controversial, it might be a bit hard because they probably see things differently to how we've been brought up.
What we're going to learn today is how much you guys have in common. People from 2 different schools, lots of different backgrounds, and your ancestors come from lots of different places. But of course, we're just people.
We're Muslim and they're like mostly Christian people and Catholic.
And we're going to respect each other.
And it'll also give you a better understanding of people from different cultures.
There's going to be girls there too.
Yeah.
You know, making music, putting yourself out there is a little bit scary sometimes. It could be a bit of a challenge, but what I ask you is just to be brave.
How are we going to make a song without instruments? I think that'll be really interesting to figure out.
Using this amazing instruments that each of you have, which is your body and your voices. And now the song is going to be based on all of our lives. Okay, the song is going to be inspired by our stories and our experiences.
When was there a time when you had to hide who you were, that you didn't feel free to be yourself? Or when people are stereotyping your group, how you feel about that? People talk about shy people. How does it feel? What stops you being master of your own life? Grab a paper and pencil, don't talk to each other, just write for 2 minutes, keeping in mind, what is it that stops me from being myself? Just keep writing.
This is the thing with free writing, right? There's no rules. It might be that they look good together, or it might mean that they make sense together, but your job is to make a poem with these as your lyrics.
The lyrics of the song could be something like something against racism or discrimination, something like that.
Let's go.
Treat me because who I am. I'm not like other kids. My own mind is a maze, focused on a girl. I can't keep up my real life.
System of society is like a guy filming us, watching from a distance, taking our money.
We push through school, pressured by friends, living up to the expectation of family.
Like standing in front of an audience, not knowing what to say, while the media tells us what to do.
When I don't tell the truth, that starts me going to places. I walk up in a huff, doubting myself. Can I do it? Can I do it?
Freedom to me is all that I need to be happy. Negative comments, they don't understand me. I should just be myself. When people laugh when I do something wrong, I should just be myself.
Never give up, believe to achieve.
I feel free when there is no bullying.
Equality is paramount.
Those stories that you told, those verses that you've written, you own this song. These came out of your stories.
They had a lot of energy. Some were holding back a little bit, but I saw them sort of come out of their shell.
We got these guys dancing here.
I would hope that they come out of it and they all go out to the schoolyard and one of them starts beatboxing and another one starts singing and they all start banging on things and playing music together.
Awesome day.
What part did you like best?
I like doing the lyrics together.
It's all about respect, to respect each other.